In certain cases, we may want to prevent text from wrapping onto multiple lines if there's not enough space in a cell to accommodate it in one line. To do this, we can attach a no-wrap attribute to the table column. To illustrate how this works, I'll need to enter a block of text into any one of our rows. I'll insert it into the first column. Now with the text inserted and the file saved, I'm going to refresh the page. You can see that the text is automatically forced onto the next line at the end of the row. Now if we add the no-wrap attribute, so this is the column that contains the text, and I'm going to add a no-wrap attribute. When I save the page and refresh, you can see that the text now appears on a single line. And there's going to be a bit of scrolling because it's a fairly long block of text. The table is automatically expanded to accommodate the entire block of text.